शाहिद कपूर, रश्मिका मंदाना और कृति सेनन की मोस्ट अवेटेड फिल्म कॉकटेल 2 का ट्रेलर सामने आया है। और भाई डेफिनेटली इसमें है बहुत सारा केओस, बहुत सारा कंफ्यूजन और डेफिनेटली हार्ट ब्रेक भी। जी हाँ, इस समर आपको देखने मिलेगा दोस्ती और प्यार का ये कॉम्बिनेशन, जहाँ पर होंगे ढेर सारे एक्साइटमेंट और फिर उसके बाद दिल तोड़ने वाली आशिकी। जी हाँ, शाहिद कपूर, कृति सेनन और रश्मिका मंदाना का ये ट्रेलर दर्शकों को एक रोलर कोस्टर राइड की तरह लगेगा और ऐसे में मुंबई में हो रहा है इसका ट्रेलर लॉन्च, जहां ये तीनों कलाकार सज धज कर पहुंच गए हैं बेहद ही एक्साइटेड अपने इस फिल्म के ट्रेलर लॉन्च के लिए। आपको बता दें कि ये फिल्म 19 जून 2026 को रिलीज होगी और इसे डायरेक्ट किया है होमी अडाजानिया ने। तो आइए आपको ले चलते हैं इस ट्रेलर लॉन्च पर और दिखाते हैं इन कलाकारों की एक्साइटमेंट। भाई कितने खुश हैं ये अपने इस ट्रेलर लॉन्च को लेकर, साथ ही क्या कुछ मेहनत इन्होंने अपने फिल्म के दौरान की और कितनी कंट्रोवर्सी हुई। भाई इनका खुलासा तो ये कलाकार ही करेंगे। तो आइए बिना किसी देर किए करते हैं इनसे मुलाकात और जानते हैं इनके दिल की बात।
शादी हो गया? नो, मैं पास्ट की बात कर रही हूँ।
No, I have not had this love triangle situation.
What was the
So
cocktail
this
you
was my
had
first.
in your wedding?
Huh?
What's the cocktail you had in your wedding?
I actually didn't drink at my wedding. I was just too busy partying.
We made
Dancing.
up for it.
Yeah. They made up for it.
I only sleep in घिसी हुई t-shirts. I cannot sleep in anything that looks new or naya, or like I need very old comfortable clothes. So that's a line that I really resonated with. I was like, ये तो मेरी life है. So 100% घिसी हुई t-shirt.
Well, I think जब मैं स्कूल में थी तो I had a crush on my really close friend's crush. So it wasn't really, but I didn't do much about it. I wasn't like Ali, क्योंकि हम ना अच्छे दोस्त थे। यहाँ पे हम अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं इतने। So उतने भी अच्छे दोस्त नहीं हैं, you know. So I didn't do much about it, but yeah, I had a crush. But good, I didn't go for it because that guy turned out to be a bit of a red flag.
You had a crush on a crush's crush.
I had a
Or
crush
is
on
it
my best friend's crush.
I think a cocktail is when actually there are two girls involved in life, not in our head, no?
It could be in your head also.
Did it ever happen like?
No,
did
nothing
you ever-
happened. between-
Never
no,
in a
no.
triangle actually.
No. I just had a crush. Like I was a baby, you know. I just like. I think you
Well,
must give us
this
something
is very
spicy.
politically correct for a film that we're trying to make very real and raw and organic. Everybody's very politically correct, so I will also say never. फिर तो मन में भी ख्याल नहीं आया था।
He didn't do a triangle. He did, what is it called? Hexagon.
मेरा circle था मैं, started from the same place and ended in the same place.
क्या बात?
This life.
Instantly, there was no. I think reading was the first time we actually met.
No, actually, we first met when we worked out together in
the
the
workout,
same
yeah.
studio, and I literally died because she works out like a beast, and I really didn't know that.
But instantly, even that day, there was no effort. It was just so easy. And when we started,
Do you think
working-
that's the reason people think this is a lesbian love story?
You know, I think it's really
Because of your
sad.
natural chemistry.
But I think it's really sad because, like he said, दो लड़के होते हैं तो ब्रोमांस हो जाता है स्ट्रेट, दो लड़कियां होती हैं तो somehow people don't want to believe they can be friends. या तो इनमें rivalry है या फिर अच्छा दोस्त लग रही है, नहीं तो फिर तो कुछ और चल रहा होगा. So it's really funny.
Okay, let me
I
just
mean-
clear it up. This is where the rumor came from. We were all sitting on the set. They definitely get a little cuddly with each other because they are friends. And we just sort of hypothetically thought, hey, what if the story was about them and Shahid was the third wheel just driving that
I think it could be a
coupe.
cool one. It could
And
be a very
we-
cool one.
And I just said I wouldn't mind making a movie
Achha,
like
guys,
that, and that's
we were
it.
supposed to clear this up. So just
sorry.
as you
So
see
there is
the
nothing.
trailer,
And
अरे
I
यार,
was
शुरू
for the
करता
first
ना
time in my
करता
life on a very strict diet, that too in Italy. And I think Shahid can vouch for the fact that I was extremely cranky and hangry all the time. So yeah, I mean everything is worth it. I hope so. Now that you're saying that Ali is feeling like your spirit animal, I hope everything is worth it.
I'll give you my example. Like a film like Jab We Met, at that time it did well, but it just lived on and became bigger. So it's too much pressure when you have to make a second album after the first one was so iconic. And you've done an insanely good job.
I don't
Insanely
take that
good job.
pressure actually. Stop taking that pressure.
No, but you killed it. It's not you.
The whole thing is also flavor-wise. Cocktail 1 and Cocktail 2 flavor-wise as a movie. Because कोई भी movie अगर start करो, you first read the script. And this is लव सर के लिए एकदम लव के लिए दिस हैज अनदर फ्लेवर सो कॉकटेल 1 के साथ तो कंपेयर करना इट्स नॉट ये एट ऑल बिकॉज कॉकटेल 1 वाज अनदर फिल्म इट टुक लॉन्ग टाइम टू ग्रो द म्यूजिक गॉट 12 साल टू ग्रो अभी wherever it is cocktail 2 I think we have done our best work let's see what like
जीने की है तू ही वजह जीना तेरे लिए
Okay, the track started.
I want to sing more. She's like, okay, हो गया बेटा, रुक जाओ.
भाई देखा आपने, कॉकटेल 2 की टीम बेहद एक्साइटेड है अपनी फिल्म की रिलीज के लिए और जल्द ही शुरू हो जाएंगे इनके प्रमोशंस भी। ऐसे में आप देखेंगे कि जब बड़े पर्दे पर ये फिल्म रिलीज होती है तो दर्शकों का दिल भाती है या नहीं, क्योंकि कॉकटेल ने तो अपना एक बेंचमार्क सेट किया है। ऐसे में क्या कॉकटेल 2 उसे कम्पीट करके आगे बढ़ेगा, ये तो आने वाला वक्त ही बताएगा। मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।